Hey guys, Tristan here. Today I will be building a keyboard for my girlfriend's sister as a birthday present. The keyboard we will be building today is the GMMK Pro. The GMMK Pro is a gasket mounted, hot swap, 75% layout keyboard made out of CNC'd aluminum. This keyboard has been out for a while now, so I'm a little late to the trend. Yeah, my bad. This is the white ice colorway, which in reality is actually silver, but I still like the way it looks. Included inside of the box is the bare bones keyboard, extra gaskets, which have almost no compression, a USB Type-C cable, keycap puller, and switch puller. The keyboard itself comes with an aluminum plate, which is included by default. It also has a very large Glorious engraved into the back, which I actually kind of like. It comes with stabilizers, but I decided to use cherry screw-in stabilizers I had lying around, since the GOAT stabilizers it comes with aren't very good. The switches we will be using are EV02 switches, which we found fitting since my girlfriend's sister is a fan of the anime Neon Genesis Evangelion. They are JWK linear, featuring a polycarbonate top housing, nylon bottom housing, palm stem, as well as a 63.5 gram gold plated spring. I have lubed the housings and stem with Krytox 205 grade 0. As for the springs, I oiled them with Krytox 105 oil. She will be using her own black on white Japanese keycap set, but for the sake of this video, I will be using GMK Modern Dolch Light.
It's okay.
Okay, here we go.
This costs. Ooh! Wow! Does it feel nice?
Yeah, it does. Okay, check.
Click your knob. You can do this for volume and stuff. After this is expensive. It's true.
Yeah, really good keyboard.
Oh. Oh, hell no.
Okay, I'm gonna try to put them together.
Here's your keyboard, sister. What do you think? The GMMK Pro. The Ava something something. I don't know what it is. What is it?
Hey, let's go my keyboard.
Yeah, that's quality.
Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. We are so close to hitting 200 subscribers. I appreciate the support from each and every one of you guys. Until next time, I'll see you guys later. Peace.